Hello, I'm Claire, and I'm very excited to introduce to you the Chicco Bravo Trio system. The Bravo Trio system is designed exclusively for use with the #1 rated Chicco KeyFit infant car seat. The Bravo provides 3 unique modes of use to adapt to your changing travel needs as your baby grows, making it the ideal choice as you prepare for the arrival of your new child. In its first mode for use with young infants, Bravo functions as a lightweight and stylish car seat carrier. The Bravo seat and canopy can be removed easily, revealing a lightweight car seat carrier. The KeyFit clicks right in. This is most helpful when baby is always in the KeyFit. It means the Bravo is lighter and the fashions will look their best longer. During the transition time, when baby still rides in the KeyFit, but may also like to sit up and see the world from the stroller, the Bravo functions as a travel system. When your baby outgrows the KeyFit, the Bravo is a full-featured toddler stroller, perfect for everyday travel for your growing baby. The aluminum frame Bravo stroller comes loaded with features to make strolling comfortable for baby and convenient for you. And only Chicco could improve on the quick fold. Simply lift the handle under the seat, and the front wheels swivel into position, allowing a self-standing compact fold. The multi-position reclining seat and all-wheel suspension help to create just the right ride for baby. The large storage basket is accessible even when the backrest is fully reclined. And a height-adjustable handle easily accommodates both mom and dad. Other features include an extendable canopy with peekaboo window, a parent tray, and linked rear brakes. The Bravo Trio system also includes the KeyFit 30 infant car seat, accommodating infants from 4 to 30 pounds. It's the #1 rated infant car seat. 3 unique modes of use to adapt to your changing travel needs as your baby grows. The Bravo Trio system, the ideal choice in a 3-in-1 travel system, only from Chicco.